In this video, we'll look at how we can type on a path in Affinity. So in order to type on a path, first of all, let's create a path. I'll go to the pencil tool and create a path. I'll create a path like a tilde sign right here. Now this is our path. You can create any path. You can create a straight line, which is a horizontal line, or you can create a vertical path or vertical line. You can also create different shapes by using the shape tool that are present in this toolbar, and you can type on the path of this particular shape as well. I'll be typing on this particular tilde path. So for that, I'll simply click on the artistic text tool, or you can use the shortcut key of T, and creating a path and typing on a path is very simple in Affinity, and it is also straightforward. First of all, let's zoom in. And after zooming in, first of all, I'll disable our stroke color by clicking on the / key. And after the stroke color is disabled, by holding down or by selecting this particular artistic text tool, let's click on this particular path. Now you can see that the type tool has been appearing, or the type tool has appeared on the path, and we can type anything. Let's type anything. Okay, so in this way we can type on a path. And the next thing that we have here on the path is this green marker and the red marker, where the green marker indicates the start point and the red marker indicates the end point. So this is the text that we have typed here. And the other thing we can do is we can also simply select all the text, and by holding down the option key and the right arrow or the left arrow key, we can control the overall tracking of the text. In addition to that, we can also use the other feature called baseline, which is mostly used in typography and stuff. So if we increase the value of baseline, you can see that the type has now moved below the line. And if we decrease the value of the baseline, you can see now that the type has moved above the line. And if we decrease the value all the way to the negative, then you can see the type or the text have moved all the way up above the line. I'll keep the baseline value to 0 since it is the default value. And the next thing that I want to share with you is that while typing on a path of a shape or any path, if we click, let's say this is the path here, and if we click outside the path, then it will create the type and let us allow to type outside of the path. And if we click inside of the path, then it will let us type inside of the path. So that is the other tip, and it will mostly work with the shapes. For example, if I created a rectangle tool, and let's say if I select the type on a type tool or the artistic type tool, then if I click outside the path, it will allow us to type outside the path. And if I click inside the path, it will allow us to type inside the path. So for now, I'll click here. Since it's inside the path, it must allow us to type inside the path. As you can see, as I've clicked inside the path of the square, it is allowing us to type inside of the path. So this is how the type tool works in Affinity. And I have to admit that this tool is very dynamic. That means it allows us to create different kinds of type. It allows us to create a point type as well as it works as a type on a path tool as well. So if you find this video helpful, click on the like button, and to know more about Affinity, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching this video, and see you on the next video.